Sodium nitrate, with the chemical formula NaNO₃, is a versatile inorganic compound critical to multiple manufacturing processes. In this video, we explore its composition and industrial applications. Sodium nitrate consists of one sodium cation and one nitrate anion in an ionic bond. The nitrate group exhibits trigonal planar geometry, with the negative charge distributed across all three oxygen atoms, contributing to its high water solubility of 91.2 grams per 100 milliliters at 25 degrees Celsius. In food manufacturing, sodium nitrate, also known as E251, functions as a preservative, inhibiting bacterial growth while maintaining color in processed meats. As an agricultural fertilizer, it provides 16% nitrogen by weight in a form immediately available to plants. For glass production, it serves as an oxidizing agent and flux, removing impurities and reducing melting temperatures. In heat treatment applications, its thermal properties make it valuable in molten salt baths, providing consistent temperature control between 430 and 600 degrees Celsius for metal processing. While not combustible, sodium nitrate is an oxidizer that enhances the combustibility of other materials. Store in cool, dry conditions separated from reducing agents and combustible materials. Implement appropriate ventilation and use personal protective equipment during handling. Understanding sodium nitrate's properties enables manufacturers to optimize its use while maintaining safety standards. For more insights on industrial chemicals and sustainable solutions, follow us or visit our website today.